Hello, and today I'm going to show you my dog Venus. Don't get her confused with the planet Venus. She is 6 months old. She is only 6 months old, and she is very big and already stronger than me. This is her. This is Venus.
Like fucking Poppy. Oh, such and such. Their kids went to private schools and they ended up just going into the family business and they're fishmongers. They're not their Thursday anyone. You fucking moron. He makes twice as much money as you do, you fucking idiot. Poppy. Same age, these guys are the same age as her brothers. And her brothers went to public school. And they both did something with themselves. And this kid went to private school, other wogs there, that had its local fishmongers. And their kid went to private school, and he ended up being a fishmonger anyway.
Yeah.
He makes just as much money as your brother when he was a barrister. Just as much money. He doesn't work, and he can leave his work at home. He doesn't stress about it, he doesn't have anyone harassing him. He has a fucking shower and he doesn't smell. Fish isn't as bad.
So yeah, that's my dog Venus. She's a Rottweiler, and if you can like ask me questions about her. Just leave it in the comments section and I'll answer it as soon as I can. So, see ya.